Theta United States dollar medium-term support generally remained at 92 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The truly current exchanging volume of Theta organization sort of is at $4,519,398, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Theta organization explicitly is buy and buy esteemed at 62 cents, bears control Theta's kind of current cost activities in a sort of huge manner. 08 October 2023, in this video we'll basically walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time, essentially got clarification on some things, facts, what certainly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Theta organization, truly is Theta a kind of wise venture, or so they generally thought. Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so on, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. However, prior to plunging especially profound into the Theta specialized investigation, in a real sense let us explicitly discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, or so they especially thought. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to 1. Bitcoin shares 49.88% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%. Which for the most part shows that the by and large complete exchanging volume basically remains at $17,412,615,578, showing how the especially all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $17,412,615,578 in an extremely significant manner. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04% in every way that really matters in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a cost increment of 0.22%, coming to $1,637.27 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92, following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time span in an especially large manner. XRP, the really local coin of XRP especially, is somewhere near 0.54 and right now exchanging at 52 cents, which sort of is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they certainly thought. These occasions especially show that the market truly is going in a genuinely descending bearing for genuinely transient in an unpretentious manner. As of now, a genuinely broad by and large bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how as of now, a certainly broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a genuinely significant manner. Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, genuinely further appearance how which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04%, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers by and large become commonly more truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, truly further appearance, how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92, following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time span, which truly is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which dealers for the most part become commonly dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on in a truly significant manner. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, for the most part is at 62 cents, down 0.43% in the exact beyond 24 hours, and especially has a value change of 6.54% over the course of the week, which explicitly is very critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is 4,519,398.00 United States dollars, while fundamentally all-out market cap came to $615,940,400 United States dollars, showing how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04% in an especially large manner. There for the most part are very nearly 1 billion generally are available for use out of 1 billion, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging certainly profound into the Theta specialized examination, certainly let us explicitly discuss the genuinely current economic situations in a fundamentally significant manner. Theta Organization Value Investigation Theta Cost Examination for 08 October 2023 inside a day-to-day time span really made sense of beneath, showing how yet prior to jumping essentially profound into the Theta specialized examination, explicitly let us all things considered, discuss the sort of current economic situations, which for the most part is genuinely huge. We utilize most certainly relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal union and difference, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of basic moving kind of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving sort of normal, EMA, to in every practical sense, break down the future development of the Theta organization. Showing that the especially current exchanging volume of Theta organization by and large is at $4,519,398 amazingly. The Theta United States dollar moving especially normal combination and difference, MACD, marker especially is showing a genuinely present moment for the most part sell genuinely signal, as the MACD line by and large is moving beneath truly signal line which truly implies explicitly bears. Fundamentally are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92, following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time span in a sort of enormous manner. RSI inferring oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and certainly is attempting to truly break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength, so the kind of current exchanging volume of Theta organization in a real sense is at $4,519,398, or so they sort of thought. The Theta organization truly has in a real sense break all its especially upholds levels, and things generally are not looking genuinely great for the crypto market, so Theta United States dollar medium-term support basically remained at 92 cents in a truly significant manner. As of now, especially bears especially are in charge of the market and effectively explicitly take Theta cost beneath the essential help level of 96 cents, exhibiting how Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to really recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. In every practical sense, further appearance how which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04%, which by and large is genuinely huge. While Theta's Williams percent R pointer explicitly is at 53.763 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange kind of sign especially is